our original cinema. Okay, there are several common doubts will be there related to this Python. Just a few minutes, let me talk about these common doubts, and then I will start what is Python, just a basic introduction to Python. Once that part got completed, then we have to talk about yes, again. Okay, I will ask, I will clarify your doubts. Don't worry at all. Okay, like sir, now the first things what I have to explain for you people, right? Okay, so what is the course duration? Okay, around 3 to 4 months is the course duration, sir. Okay, first thing, the people who want to learn Python, how many days you require to spend with me? Okay, so 3 to 4 days, 3 to 4 months you require to spend with me, so that I can give the assurance that you will become expert in Python. Okay, like next, and after that, okay, so every day how much time I have to attend? Okay, so daily 1 hour to 1.5 hour. Okay, 1 hour to 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, just almost 1 hour to 1.5 hour you require to attend. Sir, which time you have to attend? As of now, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. or 7 p.m. India time, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. India time, IST. But sir, later this batch is going to be changed to 7:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, please make sure, sir. Okay, this is one small change is there in your time only for this batch. Okay, so few days you require to attend 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Later, this batch will be shifted to 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. At the beginning, first session only, I'm telling all these things. Okay, like, sir, next thing here is, sir, can I get videos or not? Okay, like, sir, almost 6 months you will get video access. You will get video access. 6 months you will get video access. Okay, so current batch videos you will get. Current batch videos means whatever I'm going to explain, yes, I will explain these these videos you are going to get. Next, the just a completed batch videos. Okay, just a completed batch, almost around June. In the June I started one batch, just the batch just completed batch means last batch videos. Okay, last batch videos, complete videos you will get. Complete videos you people are going to get. Okay, remember. Next, and after that, sir, can I get material or not? Yes, for every topic you people are going to get downloadable material PDF files. You are going to get downloadable material you are going to get, sir. For every topic you can get the materials. I hope, just 1 minute, somewhere I can see. Okay, are you seeing anywhere Python? Python. Okay, like I'm just saying Python materials or projects, something like, are here maybe available. Okay, Python material, like, sir, have you observed, right? Core Python. Okay, almost do you know this is the material 208 pages material is related to the core Python. Okay, core Python materials, these are things 208 pages. Next, in addition to that, advanced Python material also will be there. Okay, 209 pages, almost around 400 to 500 pages material you people are going to get. You are not required to worry. Whatever I'm explaining in the regular session, whatever I'm explaining in this session, for all these things, material will be there, exact matched material. These whatever there in this material I will explain. Whatever I'm explaining, all these things by default will be there in this. Okay, like, next, yes, 6 months video access you will get. Current batch videos, just last previous batch videos you will get. Okay, like, next, downloadable material. Okay, you people are going to get. Next, any other things, okay, you required, of course, course completion certificate you are going to get. course completion certificate you are going to get with your photo, with your photo you people are going to get, sir. Okay, so and so person, this person completed so and so batch. Okay, like you are going to get sir complete course. You happily you can claim that certificate in your resume. Okay, like next sir, that's all. This is about material, everything, sir. Next, which topics I'm going to cover? That topics list at last I will provide after completing the basic introduction to Python. Don't worry. I will share the complete syllabus for you people, right? Okay. Next, core Python, core Python, and advanced Python. So all the topics, almost around 25 topics, around 25 topics 25 topics will be covered, sir. Around 25 topics will be covered. Okay, like so core Python and advanced Python, 25 topics by default. But as the part of this session, Django is not going to be covered. Okay, Django is the different. Okay, well, there are some people who are unable to, sir, not audible, I can't listen. Some people are telling, if you are not audible, can you please tell what you require to do? If you are facing any audio, or video problem, okay, please log out and log in again. Please log out and log in again. Okay, like next, yes, sir. Please log out and log in again. Okay, this is if you are facing any problem, please log out and log in again. Shubham Singh, next one or two members, they are telling. Okay, like yeah. Yes. Okay. So that's all. Next, who can learn Python? Sir, here to learn Python, which knowledge is required? Okay, to learn Python, what knowledge is required? Required, like some people are going to ask, sir, first thing what you people should aware, to learn Python, Python, nothing is required. Are you getting? To learn Python, nothing is required. Just you should aware, you should aware, okay, how to read English, how to read the English. If you aware how to read English, that thing is enough to learn this Python. Okay, some people are telling, sir, I'm related to networking field, non-programming field. No problem. If you want to enter into the programming, Python is the best choice. Next, sir, already I am working on Java or other technologies. Can I learn Python or not? Yes, happily you can learn Python, because sir, you can move to the data science, artificial intelligence, these type of trending areas. Happily you can move there. The people who are working on testing side, yes, automation, Selenium with Python, these days it is a very hot cake. Okay, that's why happily you can do that. Okay, that's all. So these are just general information, what okay, general information whatever we have. Okay, can you please confirm, still do you have any other doubts? Automation, Linux and AWS with Python, Subramaniam. Yes, sir, Linux already I covered. Linux course is there. You can. Next, GUI programming is going to be covered. Dev, yes. Tkinter module, I'm going to explain. Okay. Next, fee related to that. Okay, just you can contact our admin people. Okay, Durga Soft Online Training @gmail.com. Next, 8885252627 8096969696. Okay, so like these numbers are mail ID. Happily you can contact. Okay, these people can guide related to the fees. Okay, like yeah. Next, here there are some sir, you is it's easy to useful for fresher or not? Prince Kumar, happily you can learn Python. Definitely this language is going to be helpful. There are several freshers, yes, after completing this course, yes, there are several students who got the job already. Yes, being fresher, happily you can do that, no problem at all. Next, yes, Priyesh, it is almost around 7,000, 7K. Okay. how much package in job we can expect after this course, that depends on your experience, Imanshu. Okay, both complete core and advanced Python will be covered. Yes, Smita. Yes, both the things are going to be covered. Okay, what after Python? Yes, I will explain, Ganesh. Happily, you can go for either Django or otherwise data science or otherwise Selenium. There are multiple ways are there. Happily, you can choose based on your interest, any vertical, no problem, right? Next up. So JavaScript sessions are going to be covered, not covered in this. It is going to be covered as a part of what we call Django. That is the next course. Okay. Sai Varun, can you please check from your side? Here the voice is in full. Next. Okay. Sir, what is the difference between Python course available? Okay, live session means direct instructor access will be there, but from the portal means you have to refer based on your time. It is the pre-recorded videos. Yes, Venkat. Okay, yeah. AWS training, all the things are available. Just can you please contact our admin people, right? Next, is there any projects are going to be covered? Sandeep, definitely at the part of this course, we are going to do small mini application. Several projects are going to be covered. Don't worry at all. Okay, yeah. Any other doubts? Sir, I completed. Yeah. Yes, Amol, just we have to talk this one. So better to go for REST API, Django REST API, Amol. Okay. Telecom domain is it beneficiable for me? So if you want, Amarjit Singh, if you want to do programming Python side, yes, I mean programming side, if you want to move, definitely this course is there. Okay. Like, yeah. Okay. Now what you can do is, yeah. What you can do is, so some more doubts I will clarify, some more doubts I will clarify. Okay, after this session. Okay, like C and C++ knowledge is required. Someone is asking about this. Sir, here just can you please read this line each and every person? Can you please read this line each and every person? Just have a look once. To learn Python, nothing is required. Just you should aware how to read English. Beyond that, nothing is there, sir. Okay, yeah. So can I start the basic introduction to Python? Please confirm. Okay, still if your doubts, okay, still you have some doubts, definitely I will cover these doubts, don't worry, after end of this session. Okay, like, yeah, let me talk about what is Python, the basic introduction to Python, the Python terminology, sir. Next, is it useful for database or not? Okay, database, I mean database programming, it is Python is going to be helpful, but here database concepts also we are going to discuss. Okay, yes, yes, Python scripting, definitely it's going to be helpful, sir. Next, which is better, Python web development or JavaScript web development? So anyway, okay, both the things are TSSI Varun. Yes, both are, that depends on the client requirement, either mean stack, Mern stack, or otherwise full stack web development with Python, anything that depends on requirement, right? So the regular sessions mostly will be there from Monday to Saturday. Okay, 6 days a week. 6 days a week. Nowadays, Java or Python important. Sudhir Reddy, definitely Python is important. Java downtrend already started. Yes, can we write non-interactive job in Python? Yes, we can do that. Okay, Vimal. Yeah. Okay. Next, so there are some small doubts are there. Yeah. Are Python and data science, 1 minute. Python and data science both are connected or not? Yes. Data science algorithms, data science algorithms, how you can to implement data science algorithms, compulsory some programming language must be required. That programming language itself is Python. Either Python or R language is the best choice. Okay, Mahesh. Sir, I have, okay, 9 years of experience in Oracle or DB apps DBA. Now I'm planning to move DevOps. I don't have basic knowledge of programming language. So is this useful for me? Okay, Python or only core Python is enough for automation or DevOps? It would be apparent. Yeah. So Python, okay, if you aware tomorrow at the part of DevOps engineer, if you require to work on any scripting language, okay, any scripting language or programming language, this language definitely, this knowledge definitely is going to be helpful. Anil, okay, remember, yeah, yes, I will do REST API, but UI technology without UI, how you learned Django, man? Amol, Django must be okay. UI, Django, REST API, everything must be required if you want to go for full stack web development. Remember that. Okay. Yeah. Next, DevOps scripting. Yes. So, sir, project demo also will be there. Correct. You can expect. Yes, packages. Yes, definitely. Yeah, the part of this course, you can expect NumPy pandas, like the libraries which are required for data science. Definitely, at the part of this course will be covered. Don't worry at all. Okay. Yeah. For Selenium, core and advanced Python, both the things are required. Sri Krishna, both the things are required. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, here, how to build programming language as past? Is Python better than SAS? Yes, definitely. Okay. Yeah, machine learning by Python. No, in this course, machine learning is not going to be covered. Okay. Like, let me start our cinema, sir. The fee for this course is 7,000. Diksha Singh. Just you can contact our admin people so that they will guide you the remaining fee related things. Okay. Now let me start our cinema. Okay, the basic introduction. Let me talk about that. Okay. So the first topic, of course, the people who are very much eager to know the syllabus, sir. For those people, just let me talk about the syllabus related to that. So the basic which syllabus is going to be covered as a part of this course. Okay, now the first topic, language fundamentals, we are going to discuss. Okay, just the very basics. Now just observe very carefully, sir. Language fundamentals we are going to discuss. Next, yeah. Next, operators concept is going to be covered. Operators concept is going to be covered. Next, the input and output statements will be covered. Input and output statement. How you can read the input? How you can read input? Next, yes, how we can print the data to the console. Something like input and output statements are going to be discussed. Next, flow control will be covered. Next, string concept. Okay, the most valuable, sir, here flow control, if else elif. Next, for loop, while loop, like these kind of things we are going to discuss here. Next, string concept we will discuss in detail. Okay, string concept we are going to cover, right? Next, and after that, list data structure we are going to discuss. Next, here, after list we have to go for set data structure. Next, after list, okay, we have to talk about tuple. Next, and after that, set we have to discuss, and then dict we have to cover. Can you please confirm which data structures we are going to discuss here? String is the most valuable concept. List, tuple, set, dict, these are data structures we are going to be discussed, right? Okay, like next, the next thing what we have to talk is functions concept, modules concept. Next, and after that, packages concept. Modules concept, functions, modules, packages, like these are things we have to talk. Do you know, sir, up to this whatever we are going to discuss, yes, sir, these are 12 topics by default considered, yeah, core Python. Okay, yeah, the at the part of core Python. Okay, like these are 12 topics you people should aware, right? Okay, sir, core Python. These are the 12 topics what we are going to discuss. Have you observed, right? Any doubt related to the syllabus? Hey, respond. Don't be silent. Language fundamentals, operators, input and output statements, flow control, string concept, list, tuple set, dict functions, modules, and packages. These are things we require to discuss, right? Okay, like next, yeah. Okay, yeah, Anil, please wait. If you people are having any personal doubts, I mean, related to general doubts, just wait for a few minutes. I will clarify your doubts. Don't worry at all. Okay, just observe what things we are going to cover at the part of that. Okay, next, sir, here advanced Python. Okay, like, sir, which things we require to discuss at the part of that? The first important concept, object oriented programming. Object oriented programming, sir. Oops concept, the most valuable, very important concept. Oops concept, right? Okay, and then we have to talk about file handling concept. Okay, file handling concept we have to talk. Next, exception handling concept we require to talk about. Okay, exception handling. Next, regular expressions, regular expressions concept we have to talk. Regular expressions concept and the web scraping. Okay, like, web scraping concept is there. We require to talk about web scraping. Next, do you know multi-threading concept we have to talk. Multi-threading concept we require to discuss. Next, and after that, PDBC, the most valuable, very important concept, Python database connectivity. Python database connectivity. How to connect with the Python? Okay, like, all these are things by default we are going to discuss. Don't worry at all. Okay, and then, do you know some more topics are there? Okay, like, assertions concept. Next, logging concept. Next, and after logging. Okay, after logging, do you know decorators concept? Next, decorators concept. Next, and after the generators, the most valuable concept for you people, like decorators concept and generators. Next, and after that, object serialization concept. Object serialization, like, we have to discuss related to that. Okay, so these are some topics related to advanced Python. Okay, some more extra things I have to discuss for you people, right? Okay, something like, yes, we have to talk about, okay, numpy module. Next, and after that, do you know pandas? Numpy module, pandas, which are required for data science. The people who are moving for data science, okay, compulsory you people should aware. Okay, these are things, numpy, pandas, matplotlib, like, there are some libraries we require to talk. Next, even we have to talk about, some people are talking about GUI programming. Here, tkinter, like, sir, this module is there. Okay, this module we require to discuss. Tkinter module we are going to talk. Next, in addition to that, some more, the new features whatever came in Python, new features we are going to discuss. Next, interview questions we will talk about. Separate sessions I will conduct on interview questions, right? Next, every topic is going to be discussed with the projects. That's why you people are going to get much confidence in the concepts. That's all. Almost around these 28 or 28 to 30 topics we are going to discuss. Almost around 3 to 4 months you require to spend with me. Okay, like, there are some people are there. Okay, sir, I'm unable to attend 3 to 4 months. Do you have any shortcut techniques to attend to complete this course within the short span? Because that much time is not there. Like, some people are going to ask. The people who are, yeah. Are you covered any project in this? Yes, Amol, every topic you can expect with the projects. Yes, here especially GUI programming, compulsory we require to discuss project. Next, and after that, oops concept, compulsory we require to talk about projects. Remember this one. There are multiple applications, multiple projects are going to be covered as a part of this course. Okay, hands-on wise, you won't miss anything. remember. Okay, like next here one small thing you people should aware, sir. 6 months video, you will get video access. Okay, current batch videos and previous batch videos completely you are going to get. What is the reason? What is the reason for this? Just completed last batch videos you are going to get. The reason for that is almost, do you know how many videos are there? 170 videos are there. 170 videos are there. These videos we are going to share, so that, sir, I can't attend 3 to 4 months time. I want to complete within just okay, 1 month or 1.5 month, like happily you can spend much time and you can complete those things. Okay, like next downloadable material you people are going to get, course completion certificate. Next running notes. Okay, running notes I will share with you people. Whatever I'm typing, yes sir, these running notes we will share with you people. Next, videos are not downloadable. Okay, only material is downloadable. Yes, how you can access videos? 1 minute, friends, here, just have a look once. Okay, we are going to share these videos. Okay, just have a look once. Here, login, you will get you will get login. Okay, address, yes, username and password. Okay, like yes, here just my courses, like yes, all these courses are there in my account. Of course, here just observe that in my account all these courses are there. Some courses are expired anyway, right? Yeah. Python new batch videos, Python new features, like yes, core and advanced Python 170 video class complete, including your current batch videos. These videos also will be shared. Okay, now observe that. Yes, these are the materials what we are going to share. Core Python, advanced Python. These materials are downloadable. Don't worry at all. These materials are downloadable. Okay, like you can happily download from the website itself. Okay, next, do you know here, are you seeing, right? Can you please observe Python new batch videos? 19th June this batch was started. Okay, like last batch videos, right? Okay, now observe directly. Yes, here just observe that any topic almost, you can see here. Just have a look once. Object oriented programming, like all the videos by default is there. Last number, can you please cross check, sir? Yes, friend, can you please cross check what is the last number? 168, 169, 170. Have you observed? So 170 videos are there. Just on the mouse click, happily you can see. Okay, so any video, because this complete set of videos we are going to share with you people at day one, so that the people who are not having much time, sir, I want to learn a bit in advance, happily you will get, yes, your current batch videos you will get. Next, this batch videos you will get material, happily you can download. Next, running notes you will get. Okay, like yeah, any other doubts? Yeah, here the projects whatever we are going to discuss, you can't claim these projects for experience, Ramu, because only with Python you can't claim. Compulsory required to go for either data science or Django, like such type of projects you can claim in your project. Yeah, clear, right? So videos are not lifetime, only material you can. Next, 6 months video access our people are going to provide. Later, with minimal fee, you people can extend. If the course still some more topics going on, then we can extend. For the last batch, 9 months we extended. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Clear, right? Next, sir, other than these, sir, you can write Microsoft Python certification, Microsoft Python certification. Yes, sir, these videos are going to be helpful. Okay, with the small extra preparation, happily you can go for certification also. Next, helpful for the interviews. Yes, this certification, of course, Durga Soft certification to indicate that I completed the course. If you are going to do this type of certification, is going to be very helpful in the interview room. Okay. Ramo, as of now, no. Next level only you require to think about that. Okay, that's all. This is the syllabus. The things what you people should aware. Just if you want here, just you can. Next, so every day while class going on, happily you can ask any doubts, no problem at all. Or otherwise, after completing the session, I can spend some time to clarify your doubts. You are not required to worry at all. Your doubts by default will be clarified. Okay. Yes, yes, Kumar Sai. Okay, right. That's all. So these are just the things what you people should aware, sir. Okay. Now, let me talk about just the basics of Python. Okay, the basic introduction to Python, how it is, sir. Sir, can you please confirm? Okay, the first topic, it's not something like a demo. Directly, let me start about first topic only. Language fundamentals is our first topic. Almost around 10 to 12 sessions we are going to spend on language fundamentals, right? Okay, language fundamentals in our syllabus, have you observed, right? First topic we have to talk. So now the first question, can you please tell what is Python? Respond. What is Python? Array? Yes, what is the Python? Yes, what is the Python? So simple word you people should be aware. Okay, it is a programming language. Okay, it is a programming language like suppose best example, you are using your ATM card. Okay, you are using your ATM card. Whenever you swipe your ATM card, is this card is the valid or not? Is this card is the valid or not? Next, is a sufficient amount is there or not? How the things are going to be checked, sir? Internally, some program, some software program is the responsible to do that. Okay, so how you can write these programs? For that, some language must be required. That language itself is the programming language. Just the basic ideas are there. Are some very innocent people are there who don't know about anything about programming, just aware. Okay, if you are performing online transaction or if you are using ATM card, internally the required functionality will be performed by some programs. To develop such type of programs, some language must be required. That language is called programming language. Remember this one, sir. So what is Python? Python is a programming language. Okay, Python is a programming language. Okay, like now, do you know this programming language? Okay, so is it a high level programming language or not? Okay, remember that it is a high level programming language. Python is a high level. What is the meaning of high level? High level. Okay, what it means, right? Remember this one. First one is a programming language. What is high level? Suppose here I'm trying to take. Okay, print. Hello friends. Print. Hello friends. Welcome to Python sessions. Okay, like I'm trying to use this one, sir. Can you please tell, is it end user understandable form or not? Can you please confirm? Either end user can read or not? Yes, it is normal. Okay, programmer understandable form. It is the normal user understandable form. This type of thing is by default considered as high level programming language. Okay, like we can read, we can understand. So low level activities we are not responsible to do. Sorry, where this object is required to create. or what is the address, all these internal things are going to take care by, okay, my Python virtual machine. We are not responsible. Such type of language is by default considered as high level programming language. Java, C language, C++, all these things are high level programming languages only. Okay, like next, sir, where you can use Python? Now observe, what is Python? Sir, two words I covered. It is a programming language. It is a programming language. Second word, it is a programming language I covered. Second word is it is a high level. It is a high level programming language. Next, one more word is also there, sir. It's also very important. Where we can use Python? Where we can use this Python language? Sir, do you know, to develop web applications we can use? Sir, simple example here, just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, I want a calculator. Okay, just observe that calculator. Sir, now is it a small software program or not? Can you please confirm? Array, this calculator is not a physical machine. It is a small application. It is a small program. So this program is going to run on single machine in my computer. Okay, happily I can use this one. Happily I can use this computer, this calculator, right? So do you know, such type of programs, the programs which are running in a single machine, is called desktop applications or standalone applications, right? So is it possible to use Python to develop this type of thing? Yes, why not? Why not? Happily we can use Python to develop my own calculator, sir. Tomorrow, yeah, the part of GUI concept, happily we can use, okay, array, write a Python program so to develop a calculator. Like I can explain. That's why this application I can develop by using Python. Okay, well, suppose if I can consider, sir, youtube.com or durgasoftonline.com. Okay, any person can access this one, sir. Durgasoftonline.com, some web application. This is web application. This one is the web application, right? So web application, by using browser, any person can access. Is it possible to develop such type of web applications by using Python or not? Yes, why not? Why not? Okay, like, so we can use Python everywhere. Remember, everywhere we can use to develop desktop applications. To develop desktop applications. Next, like a calculator. Okay, to develop web applications like durgasoftonline.com. Okay, like, to develop games, happily we can use Python. To develop games we can use Python. To develop database applications we can use Python. To develop data science applications, data science applications we can use Python. Like, everywhere we can use Python, sir. That's why we can use the word, it is a general purpose programming language. It is nowhere related to a particular area. We can use this programming language for all our requirements. That's why I can use the word, it is a general purpose general general purpose programming language. So if any person is asking the question, what is Python, just spell out these are three words. Programming language, it is a high level programming language, it is a general purpose programming language. Remember this one. So what is Python? Python is a general purpose. What is the meaning of general purpose, right? So we can use for any kind of requirement. Everywhere we can use this one. General purpose, high level programming language. Clear for you people? Any doubt? Respond. The very innocent people are there. Sir, what is the database application? What is the web application? What is the desktop application? Like, don't worry, slowly we are going to discuss. Okay, just what is Python? Python is a general purpose high level programming language. That's what you people should aware. Sir, now who creates this one? Who developed this Python programming language? Don't tell Durga, sir. Are getting? Who developed this Python programming language? Just I'm the trainer. I didn't develop this language, right? Who developed this Python programming language? Okay. So here, Guido van Rossum. Guido Van Rossum. This person developed a Python programming language. Okay, remember this one, sir. Guido Van Rossum. This person developed a Python programming language. Remember, okay? Like, sir, who is this person? Okay, just at least because we are learning this, we have to see the great this person's face at least once highly recommended. So such a beautiful gift this person provided to the world. Okay, yeah, just observe that. Yeah, this person is the Guido Van Rossum. A big salute to these persons, sir, because lakhs of developers' life got simplified with this programming language, Guido Van Rossum. Okay, like this is he the person who created this Python programming language. Remember this, right, sir? When this language was developed, when this language was developed, right, sir? Simple. So while working, this person is in the Netherlands, while working in National Research Institute in Netherlands. In 1989, this person developed Python. Remember this one, sir. When this person developed Python programming language while working in National Research Institute in Netherlands in 1989, this person developed Python. Remember this one, sir. But when this person made this Python available to the public, when this person is make available to the public, now any person can use programming language Python. So officially, okay, Python was made it available to the public in 1991. Remember this one, it's by default available to the public, made it available to the public for general use in 1991. So the official date of birth for Python is February 20th, 1991. Okay, that's all. Even though it was developed in 1989, but made it available to the public as official programming language from 1991 onwards. Remember carefully, right? Yes, friends, are you in the position to understand? Yes, I told only 3 points. Array, what is Python? It is a programming language. It is a high level programming language. It is a general purpose programming language. Who developed Python, sir? Guido Van Rossum. This person developed Python. Okay, like next up, when this person developed Python, actually it was developed in 1989, but it made available to the public for general purpose is in 1991. That's why. So it is official date of birth for Python is February 20th, 1991. Clear? I hope not required to keep any explanation about this. Okay, well, so now to learn Python, okay, which thing is required? I told, right, array, to learn this Python programming language, which is required, which knowledge is required? Sir, I don't know C language, can I learn Python or not? Sir, I don't know Java language, can I learn Python or not? I don't know JavaScript, can I learn Python or not? What the answer? What the answer? Sir, believe me, in all, in almost all programming languages, all the programming languages like C language, C++, okay, Java, C language, C++, Java, okay, like all these things are very, very difficult when compared with Python. Are you getting it? When compared with Python, all these languages are very difficult, very, very difficult. That's why to learn Python, nothing is required. As a first programming language, happily you can learn Python. Okay, sir. Here I want to show one small thing. I can't control myself without showing this. Okay, just there is one folder is there on my desktop very recently. Just I saved this one. Okay. Now observe a bit very, very carefully about this one, sir. Have a look once. Have a look once. One official mail I got from one parent. Okay. Sir, I want to personally thank you for training and a class on Microsoft Python certification. Yes, my 8 years daughter who was studying fourth class. Have you observed? These words are very important, sir. This is just a directly copy pasted mail message. This is 8 years daughter who was studying fourth class cleared certification after taking online training from Durga Soft yesterday and secured 90 percentage. Oi, are you seeing? Huh? Thank you very much for your kind of training. Everybody can understand something like I attached the certificate for your reference. Excellent. Okay, excellent. Okay, now here, this is the certificate. This is the certificate. Okay. What is your name? Vijaya Lakshmi. Vijaya Lakshmi Koneti. Okay. Vijaya Lakshmi Koneti. Okay, like this is so she cleared successfully completed Python. The Microsoft Technology Associate Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft sign is there. I hope you can see. Next, score sheet also. Okay, score sheet also. Just topic wise scores by default will be there. I hope she, sir, here she got 100. No, one bit she missed it seems. Next, but here 100 percentage, but here 100 percentage, but here there are some missing things are there. Maybe one or two bits got missed. How much score she got? 90, but passing score is what? 70. Okay, passing score either 70. Okay, like next, do you know that very cute kid? Just have a look once. Wow, wonderful. Yeah, really, man. It's a really big motivation for us. Yeah, small little girl. Very cute kid. Okay, she completed Microsoft Python certification. So what you have to give here, to learn Python, nothing is required. Remember, believe me, sir. Okay, so happily you can learn anything related to this Python very easily. Small kids also can clear, can get the concept. I have one small doubt. Of course, it's my general doubt. Do you have kids? I respond yes or no. Do you have the kids? Hey, why you are thinking that much, man? Is it that much thinking question? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Good. So, do you have the kids? Yeah. No. Single. Yes. No. Okay. Remember this one. Remember. Don't tell no. Don't tell no. If any person is asking, do you have the kids? Don't tell no. So, because you joined for Python sessions, yes, after few days you are going to complete this course. Definitely will get the job. And then after getting the job, immediately next thing is the marriage only. Once marriage is going to be happen, you are going to bless her with the kids. That's why don't tell no. Okay, you have to tell soon. You require to tell soon. Okay, if you have the kids, okay, don't tell. I mean, do you have the kids? If any person is going to ask in the future, don't tell no. Yes, or otherwise soon. You have to tell. If you are not having the kids, soon you have to tell. Okay, don't tell no. Such type of terminology not applicable. Okay. Next, if you have the kids, better to bring those kids also. If you are getting any doubt in the subject, your kids are going to clarify your doubts. Remember, your kids are going to clarify your doubts. That much easy language itself is the Python programming language. Okay, so just n number of times I'm getting the feeling, Arey, such type of small things, how I have to deliver to the students, like such type of feeling I am getting every day n number of times. It is the easiest programming language. Just what we call in Telugu, we can use a word. My mother tongue is the Telugu. Adata padta. Artha Partha means so without any difficulty, easily you can learn the concept. Okay, that is the beauty of this Python programming language. Okay, sir, can you please show that easiness? I want to see that easiness. Like some people may ask, sir, do you know the people who are coming from other programming languages like Java language, C language, C++? Do you know in any programming language, first program what you are going to learn? Hey, respond. First program, what you are going to learn? Usually, if you are learning any programming language, first program what you people are going to learn is a hello world program. Okay, to print hello world. Array, Can you please print hello world, hello world, hello world program? This is just usually this is the first program, sir. If you are learning Java, if you are learning C language or C++ or .NET, any programming language, first you require to print hello world. Suppose Java, let me take, sir, because earlier I was the trainer for Java, not earlier, now also. Okay, Java, if I consider in Java to print a hello world, what code I have to write? Just observe carefully about this code, sir. Okay, so I have to write public class hello world. Listen carefully. Public class hello world. Next and after that, okay, public static void main I have to write, string array args we have to take care. Next and after that, here system dot out dot print ln hello world we have to take. This is the code we have to write if you want to print hello world in Java. Remember this one, sir. So how much code I wrote? Just have a look once. This is the Java code I wrote. Now I have to save this code as hello world dot Java. Remember carefully, right? Hello world dot Java. Let me save this code. Let me save this code. D column Durga classes hello world dot Java. Like I saved this code, sir. Now I have to compile this code. Okay, I require to compile this code. Java C hello world dot Java. I have to compile. Now the code compiles fine. Syntactically, is the code is the valid or not? Next I have to run this code. Okay, hello world. Okay, like happily hello world will be printed to the console. Okay, to print hello world, how much activity we require to do in Java? Okay, this is first we require to write hello world.java, and then we have to compile, and then we have to execute. Anyone coming from Java background, can you please confirm, is it the same? Respond. Is it the same, right? The people who are coming from Java background, this is the code what we have to write. Okay, remember carefully. Array, now also don't tell soon. That soon already completed. Now I'm talking about programming Java doubt. Okay, so can you please confirm it is the Java, it is the Java related code, right? Now if I show this code to any person who is coming first time to the programming, n number of doubts are there in his mind. Sir, you are using class, what is the meaning of this one? Sir, you are using public, what it means, sir? Why you are taking curly braces? What is this word hello world? Sir, what is the public, what is the static, what is void main string array, what is system out print, what all these nonsense, what all these nonsense, like n number of doubts by default will be there for most of the people if you don't know anything about the programming. If I show this code, yes friends, there are very innocent people are there in this session. In this session, very innocent people are there. Yes, I showed some code, I wrote some code. How many people got completely understanding of this code? Have you observed, sir? How many people understood this code? The people who don't know Java, I'm sure they can't understand. They can't understand. It's not that much easy. It's not that much easy, because you should aware static, you should aware void, you should aware main, and you have to aware what is the class and so on, right? Suppose if I consider same in C language. So believe me, C language, I don't know, sir. Anyone, can you please guide in C language how you can write? How you can write? Okay, the code. Anyone, can you please guide how we can write the code to print hello world in C language? Yes, include stdio dot h stdio dot h stdio dot h. Okay, like as include stdio the standard input and output. Okay, like we have to take care. Next, void main we can take. Void main we can take. Next, print f. Print f. We require to take care about hello world. Hello world. Okay, like we have to take care about that. That's it. So how many lines of the code we have to write if it is the C language? Remember this one, sir. If it is the C language, how many lines of the code we require to write? 5. If it is the Java language, how many lines of the code we have to take care? 7 lines. Now observe a bit very clearly, right? Okay, this is the C terminology, right? Now my question is, if it is the Python, how many lines of the code we require to write? Listen very carefully, sir. How many lines of the code we require to write if it is the Python? If it is the Python, sir, in Java, this much we require to do that. In C language, this much we require to do that. In Python, so how many lines of the code we require to write? Just only one line. Print, print, hello world, hello world. Okay, from Python. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. How many lines of the code? Only one line. Only one line. No class, no public, no static, no main method. All this nonsense is not required in Python. Whatever code you required, only one line. That thing is by default enough. Okay, sir, how you can do that? Sir, now what is the name I used? Tester.py. I saved this code with the name tester.py. Assume that, sir. I want to run this tester.py. Py Python test.py. Py tester.py. What the answer by default you are going to get? Hello world from Python. Happily it got executed. So if it is the Python code, how many lines of the code is required, sir? Only one line is enough. So if any person is asking, hey, what is the biggest advantage of your Python language when compared with the C or C++ or Java? You can use the word, the number of lines, the required number of lines are very less in Python. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. The required number of lines are very less in Python. If Java required 100 lines, assume that Java required 100 lines, but Python for the same requirement, we may require to write around 20 lines. Yeah, around 20 lines only. The biggest advantage what we are going to get is concise code. Can you please confirm? Can you please read everyone this line, this word? I respond. Everyone, can you please read this word? What is this word? This is a very important word in Python. I'm going to use repeatedly this word. What is this word, sir? Concise. Concise code. What is the meaning of concise code? What is the meaning? Concise. Concise means very small, very less code. With the small code only, we can do multiple things. That is the beauty of Python when compared with the other programming languages. Oi, respond. Are you feeling comfortable? Clear, right? Okay. So this is just a hello world program, sir. Not only hello world. What about remaining? Yeah. A number of doubts are there, students. Sir, how to install Python? How you can run Python code? All these things we are going to discuss in detail. If I'm going to cover everything in first day only, how you will come to second class? Are you getting? If I covered everything in the first session, how then what will be the remaining in the second session? Slowly, step by step, we will discuss. So don't worry, I will discuss about how to install Python, how to run Python program, how to save Python code. All these things I will explain. Just the overall basic idea I'm providing for you people, right? Okay. So now, so I wrote one program to print a hello world. Now observe that. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. To print a hello world, if it is the Java, almost 7 lines I wrote. If it is the C, almost 5 lines. But if it is the Python, only one line. Only one line. Now, the very important terminology, what you people should be aware, what is the biggest specialty for the Python when compared with the other programming languages is concise code. Any doubt? Respond. Up to this is the clear for you people, right? Some the biggest asset of Python you are seeing with the comparison while comparing with C or C++ or Java. Now, sir, I want another program. Assume that I want another program, sir. What my requirement is to print the sum of two numbers. Okay, program to print the sum of two numbers, to print the sum of two numbers. This is about my requirement, right? If it is the Java, how you can write the code? If it is Java, how you can write the code, sir? Now observe that, sir. Here, public, public class, public class, yard. I'm taking. If it is the Java code, public class yard, public static void main method. I have to take care. String array args. Yeah. Please listen very carefully. Please listen very carefully. Rajiv, what's your doubt? Rajiv, you're asking some doubt. Yeah. Please. Rajiv is asking some doubt. Yeah. Okay. Here just observe very carefully about this one, sir. Public static void main. Now my requirement is, okay, read two numbers, the sum of two numbers. I want to print the sum of two numbers. This is about my requirement, right? How you can do that in Java? In Java, very simple, sir. Let me take int a comma b. The people who know Java just aware. The remaining people, even you are unable to understand, don't worry at all. So now I have one small doubt. Observe very carefully about this one. A, B, what type data? A and B are variables are what type? These variables can hold which type of data? Int type. What is this one? Int is a data type. Integers, numbers, right? So A and B are the variables can hold which type of data? Int data type. Now A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. I took A value is the 10, B value is the 20 like. Now here system dot out dot print ln. Okay. Here I'm taking the sum. Here just I'm trying to take the sum. The sum is A plus a B. I'm trying to take some. The sum is A plus B, like I'm trying to take. Now, can you please confirm the people who are coming from Java background? Yes, can you understand this one? Respond. Respond, friends. Can you please can you understand this code, right? The people who are coming from Java background, I hope you people can understand this code. Nothing will be there, sir. Okay, now let me save this code. Let me save this code and let me compile this code. Yard dot Java, like I'm taking, sir. Now I have to compile. Now I require to compile Java C yard dot Java. The code compiles fine. Java yard, what is the answer by default we are getting, sir? The sum is a 30. Okay, like, so this is a Java related code. Okay, now we have a look once. So how to print the sum of two numbers? Java related code is this one, sir. Okay, like, so can you please confirm A and B are which data type? Hey, A and B are which type of values it is holding? Integer type. Int is a data type. The people who don't know programming just aware the words terminology, right? Okay, well. Suppose if it is a C language, how you can do that? If it is a C language, how we can do that, sir? Very simple, very simple terminology, right? Okay, here I'm taking void. Here just the same thing only. Int A comma B. Int A comma B. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. I'm trying to take. Next, print F. Okay, print F, like I can take. Here is okay, just A plus B. Don't worry, the sum is A plus B, or you can use or just A plus B. I'm trying to take, sir. This is the code we require to write in the C language. C and Java more or less the same. Okay, like A and the B are what type? I respond. I'm asking repeatedly this question. A and B are what type? Int type. And then A value is the 10, B value is the 20. Perfect. Now come to Python. Okay. Array, print the sum of two numbers. Can you please print the sum of two numbers in Python? Can you please write the code for that? Array. Now take very special care. How many lines of the code is required in Python? Is only very few lines of the code. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Observe Java code. Observe Java code. Observe C language code. Now observe Python code. Observe the Python code. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. b is equal to 20. Print the sum, print the sum a plus b. Wow. The people who are coming from other programming languages like Java, C language, immediately you may have some doubt in your mind. Anyone, can you please ask the doubt? Whatever doubt is there in your mind, can you please? The people who are new to the Python, but the people who are already having knowledge in other programming languages, the people who are coming from other programming languages like Java or C or C++, you may have n number of doubts are there in your mind. Okay, so the first data type, yeah, excellent, the first doubt. So here you told a and b are int type, int type. Here you told A and B are int type. By mistake, if you remove this int, by mistake, if you remove this int, Java is going to give left and right. Array, you declare, you declare two variables, but where is the data type? You didn't specify this a data type. Now observe that Java will give left and right. Java compiler is going to give left and right, not a statement, not a statement, not a statement like we are going to get the problem. Okay, like so compulsory data type must be required. But in Python, where I declare the data type? Yeah, first thing. Where I declare the data type? Am I declare data type anywhere? No, no. In Python, we are not required to declare the types explicitly. Okay, based on your provided value, the type will be considered automatically. Okay, based on your provided value, the type will be considered automatically. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. This type of nature is by default considered as dynamically typed programming language. Okay, dynamically typed programming language. Yes, can you please confirm? Can you please read this word? Because we are going to use multiple times this word. Okay, everyone, can you please type once this word in your chat window? Can you please type this one? What is the word? Dynamically typed. Dynamically typed. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. Automatically, type by default will be considered. But so this is a Python related behavior. But if you go for Java, C language, C++, compulsory type must be. We have to declare the type. That's why. So such type of languages are called statically typed programming languages. Okay, statically typed programming languages. Okay, like C language, C++, Java, like these things are by default considered, yeah, statically typed. But in sir, even in this case also, JavaScript is also dynamically typed programming language. JavaScript is also dynamically typed, right? So dynamically typed means we are not required to declare the type explicitly. Okay, like good. So now your doubt got clarified. What about data types? Wonderful conclusion is there. It is the dynamically typed. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. Next, one more doubt. Sir, you took in Java semicolon, semicolon, semicolon. In C language, semicolon, semicolon everywhere. But where is your semicolon? Sorry, man. Semicolon is optional. We are not required to use semicolon in our Python. Remember this one. So, semicolon is required or not required in Python? I respond. Is it required or not required in Python? It is not required. Not required. Not required. Okay. If you want, you can keep. But unnecessary, not required thing, what the need. Okay. Like perfect. Let me execute this code, sir. Is it really? Is it valid or not? Yes. Observe the sum 30 we are going to get. Okay. You people may feel, sir, you are showing old output only. Okay. Let me take some different numbers. 23, 23, and then 45. Okay, 23 plus 45, 68 I have to get. Okay, 68 I have to get. Yes, correct. 68 reflecting. It is perfectly valid code only. Remember this one. Okay, so in Python, how many lines of the code is required? Only 3 lines. Are you feeling comfortable? Respond. Yes, friends. How many lines of the code is required? Only three lines of the code is required. Remember carefully, right? But anyway, still you can still you can reduce the number of lines. Array, can I combine these two lines or not? Can I combine these two lines or not? Why not? Why not? Here a comma b is equal to 23 comma 45. Two lines are not required. Getting right? Two lines are not required. Not required two lines. Two lines are not required, sir. Here, just A value is a 23. B value is 45 will be assigned automatically. Okay, like next, some people, I don't want to use some, just A plus B. Yes, perfectly. It's going to print no problem at all. Ramu, getting the point? Are you getting right? How many lines of the code is required? Only two lines of the code is required, sir. That is the beauty of the Python. So in Python, two important features already we aware when compared with other languages. The one such type of thing is concise code. Remember this one, very small code, very less code we have to write. Second one, dynamically typed programming language. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Not only this one, sir. Suppose here multiple variables are there. A comma, C comma, D comma, E is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Can you please confirm? Is it valid or not? Hey, respond. What is the A value? What is the A value? A value is the 10, B value is the 20, C value is the 30, D value is the 40, E value is the 50. Okay, like, sir, can you please print A value, comma, B value, comma, C value, comma, E value? Okay, print A value, B value, C value, D value, E value. Simple. It is going to provide 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 only. Now, observe 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Perfect. It's going to work out. How beautiful this code. Have you observed, right? Very concise code. Very concise code. That is the beauty of Python, what you people should aware. Okay. Sir, one more. One more. The people who are coming from Java background. Okay, especially Java or C language, like, have you ever heard about the ternary operator, conditional operator in Java or C language? C language or C++ like C, ternary conditional operator in Java. Suppose here I'm taking, here I'm trying to take A is the 10, B is the 20. Int C is equal to, int C is equal to A less than B question mark 30 colon 40. I'm trying to take, sir, 30 colon 40. Sir, system dot out dot print ln of C value I'm trying to take. Anyone, can you please tell what is the output by default you are going to get in this case? Yes, friend. Have you observed this code? Now you can see this code, sir. Here, if any person is seeing this code, if any person seeing this code, I'm sure the person who don't know about C or Java language, he can't understand this line. But what is the meaning of this line is, array, is a value less than B value or not? If A is a less than B, can you please assign 30 to the C? If A is not less than B, can you please assign 40? Sir, in this case, A is less than B. A is less than B, 10 is less than 20, satisfied. That's why 30 will be assigned to the C. Now, let me consider, let me execute this code. Java C, Java C, okay, like Java and 30 itself is the answer. By default, we are going to get perfect. Okay, this is the Java code what I have. Assume that, sir. This is the Java code what we have. Now I want to write equivalent code in Python. Listen carefully, sir. I want to write equivalent code in Python. In Python, can you please write equivalent code? So I told already A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. Correct? These three lines replaced with only first line. Respond. Is three lines replaced with only first line. Perfect. Okay. Next, int C. Okay, int is not required. C is equal to, yeah. Have you observed? Here seems to be programming line. Line. Observe that. Array, first this condition, and then question mark, and then 30. colon 40 something like. But in Python, just like English statements, it's not a programming code. You never going to feel that it's the programming code, just like English statements. 30, 30. If A less than B, else 40. Have you observed, right? Now, the difference I hope you people can see this code under this code. Are you getting right? Seems to be, oh, one programming language, question mark, colon, parenthesis, all these are nonsense. But if you go for Python, okay, C is equal to 37. If A is less than B, else means otherwise, 40 is the value. Now, let me print C value. Yeah. Can you please confirm, is this bloody Java code is the easy or this Python code is the easy? Which is the more readable? Which is the more the new members, if they want to understand, if they want to understand, they want to read, this one Python itself is the more easy. Now observe that. Now have a look once. Let me copy paste. Really is this code is going to work or not? Yeah. Py test dot py happily it's going to print 30. Are you feeling comfortable? So seems to be something like easy, sir. We never going to feel it is a difficult. Okay, just like English language by default it is there. Okay, now let me go for a small another example, sir. I have list is there, sir. Okay, list of heroines is there. Assume that, sir. Okay, here Sunny is there. Next Katrina is there. Okay. Next and after that Karina is there. Okay. Any other? Can you please confirm? Alia is there. Okay. Like there are some heroines is there. List of heroines is there, sir. Mamait Khan. Here just I'm keeping Sunny, Katrina, Karina, Alia like. Now my requirement is, sir. Now have a look once how the code. If Sunny in L, if Sunny in L means list, sir. If Sunny in L means list, print, okay. Your favorite heroine is there. Sunny there in the list. Sunny there in the list. Else print Sunny not there in the list. Sunny not there in the list. Something like I'm taking. Yeah. Are you feeling, is it a program or is it an English statement, sir? Can you please observe that? Yes, friends. Okay, clear, right? I hope you can. Okay, this is the beauty what you people should aware. Now let me execute this code. Let me execute this code. Yes, Sunny is there in the list. Perfect. It's going to work out. There is no problem at all. Okay. So the important conclusions, what you people should be aware, Python is a very easy programming language. Next, Python, Python is a very easy programming language. Required a very concise code. It is a dynamically typed programming language like you people should be aware. Okay, that's it. Just the basic idea I want to provide for you people. Not this is overview. Okay, like just we entered into the Python world. Remember, clear, right? Okay, yeah, that's all. So when we will meet again tomorrow, we will meet again for the next session continuation. Meanwhile, if you are having any doubts, okay, you can contact our admin people. Okay, you can contact our admin people. Okay, just if you are having any doubts, if you want to talk with me personally, you can request our team, can you please arrange call to Durga sir, like our people are going to arrange call. Don't worry, sir. If you are having any doubts, yes, you can reach me. Okay. Yeah, Smita, Here huge crowd is there. That's why unmute is not possible. Okay. Next for tomorrow also same link you people can attend. With what link you attended? Okay, same link, bitly link, whatever the link you attended, right? Same link. Next I will share this Python notes. Just tomorrow, by tomorrow I will share this Python notes also, updated Python notes. Don't worry, sir. Same time at 6 o'clock we will meet. Yeah, yeah. Moving IoT, I hope it is going to be helpful. Pavan, can you please, Pavan, for IoT applications as the scripting, happily you can use Python. Okay, Smita, you can ask your doubts in the chat window. Okay, I will ask. Yeah, while topic going on I can able to see the doubts in the chat window, don't worry. Okay, yeah. Next, Grafana UI, I'm not sure, Arvind. Yes, you can. Next, if any doubts are there, don't worry, you can reach me, so by this mail, or otherwise you can contact our admin people so that they will arrange call with me. Don't worry at all. At any point of time you can talk with me. Okay, or you can. Okay, yeah. Next, mobile applications by using Python, I don't think. Okay, very rare. It is the limitation of Python, you can use the word. Next, this video will be uploaded in the YouTube. After completing the session, please go through that again. Okay, you can see. So if the people who joined late, automatically happily your doubts by default will be clarified. Okay, that's all. Tomorrow we will meet. Okay, tomorrow we will meet again for the continuation. Don't worry, sir. Okay, offline I don't think, Ramu. Okay, yeah, 6 to 7:30 is but 7:30 to 9, after few days this batch will be moved to 7:30 to 9. Yeah, matplotlib, let me check my hermit, but numpy and pandas definitely I will take care. Okay, right, sir. Thanks for everyone. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Even tomorrow I will spend some more time to clarify your doubts, don't worry. Okay, yeah, right, sir. So because at 7:30 I have the next session, so just I will arrive. Yeah, thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation part.